Sure. Here's a recipe for fruit cream. Ingredients: 1 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup mixed chopped fresh fruit, such as strawberries, kiwi, mango, and/or blueberries. Instructions: in a large bowl, using an electric mixer, beat the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract to the bowl and continue beating until the cream is thick and holds stiff peaks. Gently fold in the chopped fruit until it is evenly distributed throughout the cream. Spoon the fruit cream into serving dishes and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Serve chilled and enjoy.